Hold up, you want me to do my makeup using no makeup tools and only using things I find in my house? I'm gonna try. So I am on vacation, but I found some things, okay? The vibes are very barbecue, but we're gonna give it a chance. Okay, let's do concealer first, and I'm gonna use a spoon. I chose a spoon. I don't know how we ended up here, but we are here. Not gonna lie, it feels nice, but it shouldn't. Spoons are low-key good for blending. What is this? I brought up the fork. It feels slightly illegal. I found this salt thing. There is now salt in my contour. I feel like the fork needs more action. We need eyebrows. Why is this actually working? I'm gonna blend everything with this, so if you want to see that, go to part 2. Welcome to part 2 of me doing my makeup with random things I find in my house. We're gonna blend this now. I guess I'm gonna get this wet. I cut it so it will be more practical. It's low-key not even that bad. I mean, don't do this, please. I feel like a freshly washed dish. My skin may be ruined, but it's okay for blending. My whole face is in pain, but like, it worked. It did. This every day, but we have the brush. And now, the eyeshadow. Yep, toilet paper. Okay, let's go red. I'm gonna dab it a little bit. Then I'm doing orange. And then I'm also gonna do a yellow. I'm gonna go put on lashes. Be the makeup done. Honestly, I killed this. Welcome to part 2 of me doing my makeup with balloons. We are moving on to contour. I can't blow it up. Okay, I figured out how to approach this. Not this actually working. And I'm blending it with this part. And I'm blending this part with this one. Okay. Now eyeshadow. Now a little bit of liner. Okay. And then freckles. And this is the finished makeup. I think it's pretty decent for balloons. Tell me, what should I use to do my makeup next? Hold up. You want me to do my makeup only using food? I'm gonna do it. First, I'm gonna do the foundation and contour. And we're gonna do it with corn. I tried to cut it like this so it will be easier. Is this really happening? Well, yeah. If someone told me I was gonna be rubbing a corn on my face, I would not believe them. But life does surprise you sometimes. Then I'm gonna contour with the peach. Somehow I feel like this is gonna be good. I mean, pretty mid. When life gives you peaches, you contour. Okay, I'm gonna do blush with this pepper. I really need to be stopped. I do. It's actually really good for nose contour. This is like perfect. Now I guess let's blend everything. If you want to see that, go to part 2. And pray for this little mushroom. Welcome to part 2 of me doing my makeup only using food. Yeah, it's getting pretty weird. Let's blend the contour, I guess. I really don't know how I'm supposed to do this. I mean, it's not that bad, but it's definitely not good. I had to use a different mushroom for the concealer. That is officially the weirdest sentence I have ever said. Okay, I'm gonna use the peach for the powder. It has hairs, so it's gonna work. I don't know if I'm enjoying this or not. Why is this low-key fire? I would recommend this one. And the last thing is grapes. I had an idea, but I'm not sure if this will work. Okay. I think it's cool. And this is the finished look. I would say it's really cute. What do we think? Get ready with me for Easter lunch. I'm feeling really uncreative, so I'm just gonna let these TikTok filters do their thing. These masks ruin my ears, man. This one for the brows, I already know it works. A little bushy, a little werewolf. I am making it work. I'll just take this, do my freckles like this because it looks really good. Sister is already here and she is rushing me. Now let's do the eyeliner. I'm gonna try my best. I don't know. I think it's similar. It's the best I can do. A little out there for Easter lunch, but okay. And then face tattoo. Okay. It's giving Euphoria, Elliot. It honestly looks good. I think my family is gonna love the face tat. Anyways, happy Easter if you celebrate. Are these the most natural looking freckles you could ever get? Here is the freckle maker, so let's go. I got tagged on a video like this 7 million times. And I'm gonna let you in on a little secret. I've been doing this for like 4 years now. It's not how I always like to do my freckles, but I do think this is the most natural method. With this, I would always recommend you to go for a lighter shade. I go for brown or auburn. Auburn. Is that the right word? Is that even a word? So what this is a root retouch spray for your hair. And as far as I'm aware, it's safe to use on the face. I mean, I've been doing it for 4 years and my skin is okay, so I guess so. For the freckles to be the best, don't shake this. When you spray it, it needs to be like far away from your face. Yeah, what you were doing, yeah, further than that. Because if you don't do that, you're gonna look like someone farted in your face. We don't want to look like someone farted in our face, okay? We want to look like a freckled princess, not a fart canvas. It's okay, really far from the face, and you can see how small they are and they come across really natural. And you're not gonna want to go to town with it, you know? Spray a little bit. When you spray a little bit, check out the situation, tap it a little bit, and then go in for another spray. Okay, this is spray number 2. I also always do some on my neck because it looks more natural. You can't be freckled here, not freckled here. Get with the program. Okay, as you can see, now I have a lot of freckles. You can, of course, leave it like this. I think this is beautiful. But what I do is I kind of tap them with my beauty blender. This way, they look more blended in and natural. Let me finish this look and I'm gonna get back. And this is how it looks all done. You can see they look really like more toned down and natural. If you want natural freckles, this is the confirmed best method. There's nothing to say more than get freckly. Things as a 25-year-old I wish I knew when I was younger. No one cares, okay? I used to be really worried about what people think. I didn't want to do things because I was afraid of other people's opinions. At the time, I actually realized that in the long run, no one really cares. Even if you make a complete idiot out of yourself, in a few months, no one is going to remember that. Just do the things you want to do and don't care about other people's opinions. Not everyone has to like you. You don't like all the people you meet. So why does everyone have to like you? Stop doing things for other people to like you. Start doing things for yourself. Because trust me, ultimately, you're the only one taking care of your own interests. You don't need to be in a relationship. I used to always feel this kind of pressure to be in some kind of a relationship because a lot of people are getting into relationships really young. And there is nothing wrong with that. That is not for everyone. Don't feel bad if you're not in a relationship or didn't find that person. Enjoy yourself and build a good relationship with yourself because that's the one you're going to have to stay in for the rest of your life. If he wanted to, he would. Stop telling yourself differently. Who cares about you is going to do anything to be with you. Stop settling for the bare minimum. With people in general, not just in relationships. Never say the words, he would never cheat on me. I don't think I need to explain that one too much. Sometimes it's better to play dumb. People will show you their true colors a lot quicker if they think you don't know what's going on. Don't ever accept a drink from a stranger. A lot of pictures and videos because one day you're going to be like, why didn't I take a picture of this moment? Wish I had this memory. Don't let the bad things that happen to you consume your mind. A lot of bad things happen to you so you could learn a lesson. Trust your gut feeling. Not fitting in and not thinking is the same as everyone else is not a bad thing. Don't expect too much and you won't be too disappointed. Wear sunscreen. And be selfish. One thing that you always wanted to do but was scared, just do it. Because it may end up changing your whole life. Welcome to part 2 of me trying the new Chris collection by Kylie Jenner and getting tipsy. Okay, now we are doing the eyeshadow palette. And oh my god, look what they did. I dropped the martini. This is what it looks like. We are using this blending Proud Mama into my eye. No, that's a sentence I never thought I'd say. And then one word, vodka. Since we mentioned the queen. Okay, that is interesting. Okay, I'm a little tipsy, I forgot to film. But yeah, I added the black. And now let's take this off. For the state I am in, this is very solid. I made a decision to add rhinestones. The only thing left are the lips. Okay, am I drunk or is this weird? Look at this. Like, look at it. What? It's like dripping up. Okay, I may just be hallucinating. I'm probably gonna watch this later and realize I'm stupid. This is really nice. And the lipsticks, it looks like a cigarette. Is it me or is this like cigarettes? I see you. Okay, I'm going with the nude one. This is so nice. Okay, I love this. This is my finished tipsy look. I definitely think I pulled through with this one. You guys gotta tell me, what do you think? Hold up. After the doe eyes and the siren eyes, we have the sleepy eyes. Look at this. I love it! No, that shouldn't be that hard to achieve since I sleep like 5 hours a week. This is right up my alley. Okay, first we have some eyeshadow. So the eyeshadow goes here, like a little bit out, and also down here. I feel like this is pretty on point. Then we want to make a line right here. All of this needs to be like really nicely blended. It looks okay, but I don't know if that's because I'm doing it good or because I slept 2 hours last night. Now the liner. So as much as I can see, it's supposed to be like minimal and go straight. And then I take the eyeliner and go like this, like connected here. This is good, I think. Okay, basically I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. Okay, is it giving sleepy? I feel like it is, but I don't know if that's the makeup or just me. We're just gonna pretend like it's the makeup. I need to use this for some transitions. What do you think?